Hey, it's your girl, Lakeisha Monique of Embroidery Blanks. On my way to the supermarket. You know, people out here running around, shopping, buying up everything because the storm is coming. I don't even think it's a big storm, but storm nonetheless. You know how it is. People mention storm and everybody goes crazy. Like, oh my God, I gotta buy everything. Yeah, look at this, some of the eggs gone. Hold on. Nope. Okay, it's not gonna let me do it. But let me see if you can see it. All them eggs, all those eggs should be filled up. And they're not. This wind is blowing outside. It's crazy. But in any case, I got us some pork chops for tonight. I am going to grill them and make some broccoli. Not sure about what else besides fruit. You know, every time I come in the store, they never have my bread. Now, I gotta walk to another store just to find bread that I want, that my family is gonna eat, because we stopped eating white bread. So right now, me, my son, we eat the honey wheat bread, Nature's Own. So I like that one. My daughter eats 15 grain bread. So now, since they don't have it, I gotta walk at least 2 blocks. And hopefully that store have it. But we shall see. Anyway, this your girl, Lakeisha Monique of Embroidery Blanks, and I will talk to y'all later. Try to come back on when I'm cooking, if I have the time. I'm hoping that I do. And I will show y'all grilled pork chops, broccoli, white or brown rice, haven't made up my mind. But I'll let y'all know, it's very windy out here. Okay, bye.